Messenger video call camera settings. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna set up the camera settings of Messenger. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first of all, open up your Messenger. After that, when you go to the settings, when you tap on settings, there is no certain way of setting up Messenger video call settings on the main settings of the Messenger. So we can directly set it from the video call. For that, you just need to simply tap on one of the person that you want to video call. After video calling, when you tap on the three dot, you can see this call settings. So you just simply need to tap on call settings, and here you can see audio output, speaker. You may just choose any of the audio output. After that, you have this noise suppression settings as well, and end-to-end encryption as well. So here, just get back and you can see people, invite people as well. Just tap on people, invite people to invite other people, and these are basically the functions that you can get on video call settings. So you may just set it accordingly while you're video calling. So therefore, this is the video call settings that you can use in your video call. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.